Hi, this is Shubham, and in this video, we will learn some text functions which are available in Microsoft Excel. So let's get start this Excel workbook based on scenarios so that you can easily understand some of the Excel text functions. So let's get start. So we are starting with the first scenario where we need to join or concatenate three items. So let's start. Equals to item 1 joining with the item 2 and then item 3. So if the answer is correct, you can see that the good has been written. Or for example, if I write a wrong solution, if I make a wrong solution, so try again has been written, right? So in the first scenario, it seems that joining the contents of these three cells by using an ampersand sign. And we have successfully joined the three items. Let's go to next example. In the next example, we are required to join the first name with the last name and a space between them. Let's get started. So the first name will join with a space because the space is a character. So we are putting it into an inverted commas. Then again we are joining with the last name. So our solution is absolutely right and it shows the good. Then we have a medium level query where we need to create a sentence. Something like this person is X year old. So we have list of names and their person's respective age. So we start with picking up a name and in every sentence a space is constant. So we have put that in inverted commas. Then we will join with the age and again ampersand sign, space, years old, inverted comma, close. So we have successfully made two columns as a sentence case. Let's go to the next query. In the next query, we are required to join or combine the alphabets in such a way that when we create a logic, it should pick in every cell downwards in every row. It should add a one letter. So let's get start. First, we will call the alphabet A from C109 and from here we will create a logic that pick one alphabet from the left side, join it within a space and again join it with whatever the in the above cell. So this logic will definitely pick one alphabet every time from the left side whenever the formula goes downwards and it will definitely append the number of alphabets in each cell. Next, we have again two columns, list of names and their respective date of birth. And we are required to convert in such a way that it should look like a sentence. For example, the first sentence is John Smith was born on Wednesday, comma, January 4th, comma, 1984. Full stop. So how to do that? Let's start. Equals to, let's pick the name which is in C121, ampersand sign and inverted commas, space, was born on, space, inverted commas again, because space was born on, space is constant in each of the sentence. So we have enclosed in inverted commas, whereas the things which are not constant like names and date of birth, for that we will be using cell addresses. Now we have to join with the date, but these are the short dates, slash dates, and we want it in a different format. So for doing that, we will use the text function. So we will first pick the date from E131, that is the value function argument. And now we are required to format this particular short date in such a way that it looks like we need full spelling of the date. So we will write 4 times D, comma, space. Then we need full spelling of the month. Then we write 4 times M, Then we need the number of the date. So 1 time D and then the year 4 times Y and full stop. Inverted commas and bracket close. Okay, so here we will put inverted commas as well. So now our solution is absolutely correct and it shows the good as well, right? Next we have another text functions and this time we need to basically split or separate the numbers from the right side. So we will be using the right function and we will place comma 1 because we just need one number of character from the right side. Easy, right? Then we have the left scenario where we need the alphabet from the left side. So we will write equals to left bracket open. Then the text, we define the cell address and we just need one number of characters. That's it. Next we have to use basically the trim function. Why? Because there might be some unnecessary spaces which cannot be seen by naked eyes. So we need to use trim function here. What trim function does is it cleans the unnecessary spaces available at the end of this spelling or before or whenever it's unnecessary. In the medium, again, one more query. We need to extract the area code from these numbers. So all the area codes are on the left side and they are of 3 characters. So we will be using left function comma 3 and that's it. We have extracted the area codes from the 4 numbers. The last query is that we knew we need to use the trim and the right function combination in such a way that we need to ignore all the alphabets or all the special characters which are on the left side. So first we will write equals to right function and then trim function. Why trim function inside? Because it will first clean the unnecessary spaces if in case is there. So it will clean that and we move. And then afterwards we need to move 7 characters from the right side which will automatically load the 8th character from the right side. Or you can see the first character from the left side. So we have easily extracted that particular solution. So this is the exercise file which you can practice along after the video for Excel text functions. Thank you.